Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to do a nozzle check test pattern, which is like a test page, on a Canon Pixma MG6853. This is nice and simple. We're done from the printer itself, using nothing but the touchscreen you can see here. So from the home screen of the printer, we're going to drag this along to the right until we see setup, which is represented by this symbol here. From setup, we go into maintenance, and the top option is print nozzle check pattern. Press in, press OK, and this will take your printer just a minute. Now unfortunately this printer is having trouble feeding paper, but what you should be left with is a page that looks something like this, with a breakdown of all the different colours your printer uses, both in solid bars and in the fine detail you can see at the top. And this should give you a pretty good idea of where the problem lies, and you can carry on doing test pages and cleaning cycles, which we cover in our separate video, until you see an improvement in the print quality. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, drop it down in a comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.